Hello viewers, welcome to today's grammar class. Today's class we'll be looking at the structural features of a clause. Now here is a formula that makes up the clause. A clause is made of this formula, the subject element plus the verb element. Now the subject element plus the verb element, the moment we can see these two items, two elements coexisting simultaneously in an expression, then that expression is a clause. Now that what brings us down to what a clause is. A clause is a group of words that contains both a subject and a verb that forms a sentence or part of a sentence. Okay, let's look at the examples we have here. David sings. David sings. David here is the subject of the expression. Then we have sing as the verbs. So the fact that we have these two elements coexisting, then this is a clause. Another item again is because it is raining. Because it is raining, it's kind of different from, it sounds different from the first example we have here. This seems to be incomplete in a way, but then let's see if you can identify the two elements in this expression, or better still, if the two elements are coexisting, then we could actually conclude that it's a clause. Now we have because is a conjunction. So we would go to the next item. It is a pronoun, and a pronoun could function as the subject or the object of the verb. So in this case now, since it's coming before, we are seeing it at the initial stage. So let's see, it's function as the subject, it, and here is raining. Is raining is seen as the verb first. So the verb here is raining. So we have the two items coexisting. So we have the subject plus the verb phrase. So in this case, this expression is a clause. Let's check out another one. He's taller. He's taller. He's taller. Okay, yeah, let's check out if we can see the two elements in this expression. He is the subject plus verb, which is the is here functioning as the verb. So in this expression, we can actually conclude by saying that this expression is a clause because we have the two elements coexisting, the subject plus the verb. Now, this is down to you. Let's see if you can actually cross the subject in this expression to that of the verb in this way. Let's see if you can identify the inputs. So put your answers in the comment box. For us to evaluate the understanding of the identification of the clause and also the understanding of the structural features of a clause. When it comes home, tell me which item is the subject, and then indicate which item is the verb. So indicate the subject and the verb. Let's go into another set of evaluation class activities. Said identify the clause in the following expression. Identify the clause in the following expression. Okay, let's look at the first item. That is on the floor. That is on the floor. That is on the floor. This expression looks to be dicey. Let's see if it's a clause. Let's see if we can see the subject element plus the verb element in this expression. Okay, this that is a pronoun, so for such, we will rather see it as a subject. We see it as a subject element. And the is, it is an auxiliary verb, but in this case, it's functioning as the main verb. So we see the verb there, so we have this as the verb. So for this case, we can conclude that this expression is a clause. So in conclusion, this expression that's on the floor is a clause. Another item to look into again is this: in the money. In the money. Okay, let's look at the elements that makes up this expression. In the money. Okay, we have this in is a preposition, then the D is an article. Then we have here money. Okay, since the article is preceding this word, and this word is seen as a noun, so we'll say this item to be the subject. Whereas something is missing, we do not have the verb. The verb is missing. So for this reason, we would agree by saying that this expression is not a clause. So let's also check out the remaining two left. Drop your comments and your response to this item to note if these expressions are basically a clause or a phrase or it's something else entirely. If it is a if it is a clause, indicates the element that makes up the subject, then indicate this element that makes up the verb, then state the fact that it is a clause at the comment section. If it is not, please skip it to the next item. See you. Please, for better insights with class, for other insights with class to come in the future, please kindly subscribe to this channel and like, share, comment. Bye.